Welcome to everyone once again through my channel, the Technical Analysis of Financial Product. My name is Tapos Kumar Basu, and through this channel, I would like to explain you about the Bank Nifty. I mean, what would be the resistance and what would be the support zone of the Bank Nifty for this week. And this is the second video for today. Now, without wasting any time, let me straight away go to the daily candlestick chart of Bank Nifty. Yes, this is the daily candlestick chart of Bank Nifty. The last candle we have seen, that is the on Tuesday, the on 25th Jan, the last candle. You can see this is a very big bullish candle. Why it is to be known as a bullish candle? As because the closer of this candle is higher than the opening of this candle. That is why it termed as a bullish candle. And earlier also I have told you the all the green candles to be termed as a bullish candles, or all the red candles to be termed as a bearish candle. You see, this is the last candle on which appeared on 25th. This candle has formed in such a fashion, it is so big, or has formed in such a fashion as if it has engulfed the very previous bearish candle. So that's why technically it is known as a bullish engulfing pattern. You see, if there is any bullish engulfing pattern appears during a downtrend, you see this is a complete downtrend from here to here. So that kinds of candle technically known as a bullish reversal candle. So it means this candle generally signifies there is a possibility to be retreat towards the upside as far as this pattern is concerned, right? So based on this pattern, we cannot come to a conclusion. Let me check the another indicator also. Already I have plotted over here. There's a Fibonacci retracement. You know that Fibonacci retracement has already been plotted over here. You see that 38.2% of the Fibonacci retracement zone is a golden ratio. If any candles, or if any index or any stocks generally trades above this level, generally there is a possibility to be retreats towards the upside. Particular this candle, you see this candle is trading above the 38.2% of Fibonacci retracement zone. What is the level of 38.2% Fibonacci retracement zone? That is 37,000. What was the close of this candle? The close was 37,706. So it means it is trading above this candle, and which is a really positive sign. As long as particular this candle, I mean Bank Nifty will trade above this particular level, that is 38.2% of Fibonacci retracement zone, which is a golden ratio. So there is a possibility to be retreats towards upside. Not only that, this candle, I mean the Bank Nifty has to close above this candle, so it means above this range. So if it happens, then obviously we can expect more rally towards upside, right, as far as the Fibonacci retracement zone is concerned. And if based on this Fibonacci retracement zone, if these two conditions are fulfilled, then we can expect towards the upside. And if it goes towards the upside, the first resistance would be the 50%, which is also golden ratio of Fibonacci retracement zone. First resistance will be 38,000. But if it breaches downside, then the first support would be 37,000, and the very next support would be 35,900. So it is a very, very important zone. Bank Nifty must trade above this level, that is 37,000. Not only 37,000, it should close also above this level. If this thing happens, then there is a possibility to be retreats towards the upside, right, as far as this Fibonacci retracement zone is concerned. Now let me go to the another parameter also. Let us check the another parameter. You see, already I have plotted over here that a momentum indicator, that is in stochastics. Stochastic generally is a very, very popular indicator. Lot of traders are using this particular tools. And in a particular this downside crossing, I mean downside intersection, generally during the downside intersection, generally traders generally take the position, and in case of upside intersection, traders generally shorts their position. Now you see here there are two lines. Generally you can see two lines of the stochastic. The one is that this is a red line, this is called a stochastic line, and this is called dotted line or signal line. When the stochastic intersect the dotted line from below, which indicates indicates the bullish reversal. I mean bullish indication. Generally, so where here you see that particular this red line has already crossed this dotted line, which is called a bullish indication. So as per it means the momentum is bullish. As you all know that momentum is faster than price. So it means as it is a bullish, so momentum indicates the bullishness. So as far as stochastic is concerned, the market is Bank Nifty looks bullish. So as far as the Fibonacci retracement is concerned, I told you what is the condition. And now let me also understand the what is the volatility is also one of the most important ingredient, and it should be measured. The degree of volatility need to be measured. How this degree of volatility need to be measured, that also that through Bollinger Bands. Already I have plotted the Bollinger Bands. You know, there are three lines of the Bollinger Bands. That this is the middle band, this is the lower band, this is the upper band. This is a 20 simple moving average, and this upper band is a standard deviation of 20 simple moving average of middle band, and this is also lower band. This is the 20 simple moving. This is the standard deviation of 20 simple moving average of middle band. So if we see that the expansion among the bands is big, then it generally symbolizes that more volatility. You see, the expansion is not so big, even not so lesser also, but there is a some good expansion is there. You know, that's not so large, but there is a expansion is over there. It means volatility is still there, right? But this is the particular this area. If I go to the in different juncture, if I come to the particular this area, you see there is the expansion among the bands is very low, so that's why here is a low volatility, but here is a high volatility. So always volatility is there in terms of as far as Bank Nifty is concerned. There is a volatility. Now let me go to the another parameters. Rather just let me go to that option chart. Option chart is a particular thing which generally give us a lot of information about the Bank Nifty. Let us see the option chart. So this is the option chart of Bank Nifty. You see the put call ratio. Put call ratio is 1.1019. It means more than one. I have told you the if one put call ratio means the negative, below one is the bearish, and above one is the bullish. So as far as the put call ratio is concerned, so Bank Nifty seems to be bullish. First of all, if I go to the particular this here, I mean this strike rate, there is 30,000 strike rate. You know, say in this strike rate, you see that open interest of call is 18 lakhs 47,275, whereas the same strike rate, if I go to the put, the open interest is here is 62,000 6 lakh 25,625. It means more call rating is happening over here. So we can say that 38,000 is the strong resistance zone. Now if I come to the particular this area, where you can see that the strike rate is 37,500, where the put call, where the open interest of put is 12 lakh 93,975, and the same the strike rate, the call in the open interest of call is 12 lakh 96,100, more or less same. So we can say that this particular this would be the strong resistance. So what would be the range of Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty range would be in by this week maybe 37,500 to 38,000. Now you see that once the put ratings, if the put ratings start increasing more and more, so simultaneously, so this put call ratio will also be turned into more and more positive, right? So if I check the change in open interest, what is happening in the change in open interest? You see, if I go to the change in open interest, what is happening? You see, this 37,500, that here is a put rating is 23 2 lakh 35,200, where the call is unwinding, and it means those who taken the call, those who taken especially the call writers are basically they are unwinding their position. It means put is getting stronger and stronger. So change in open interest is showing that more put writing is happening, and call rating unwinding. You see, call rating is unwinding. The most of the calls are getting unwinding. So as far as the change in open interest is concerned, there is a possibility to increase the more put writing. You know that the institutional traders generally, instead of buying the call and put, they basically writes the calls and put. So as far as institutional traders are concerned, it is a possibility to increase more put writing. If the more put writing happens, it means which indicates the bullishness. So, and as far as this data is concerned, definitely it is showing the positive indication, as because this one is the more than, because the put call ratio is more than one, right? So let me go to the chart once again. So as far as the chart is concerned, so I told you that if the market moves towards upside, as far as the technical parameters are concerned, I explained you in details that what is the positive side, what is the negative side. If it moves towards upside, I mean, if it trades above this, if the Bank Nifty trades, if the Bank Nifty maintains to trade above the 37,000s, so then there is a possibility to be retraced toward the upside. This is a plus side, number one. Number two is Bank Nifty is still trading above the 38.2% of favorable retracement zone, which is golden ratio Fibonacci retracement zone. Yeah, so if any stocks or any indices generally, whenever it trades above this level, then there is a possibility to be retraced towards the upside. And third thing is that you see, this is a kind of a candle I just explained just few minutes before, that is, it's a bullish reversal candle. So this is also positive side. As far as the option data is concerned, we saw there is a positive, there is also positive side. So there is a possibility to be retraced towards the upside. If it moves towards the upside, the first resistance would be 38,000, and if it breaches downside, then that would be 37,000. And momentum indicator stochastic has also given a bullish signal, right? So this is as far as the technical parameters are concerned. And to be very honestly, I'm telling you, this is technical parameters. But if there is any negative global cues hovering around, the US, that there is a huge interest rate. The interest rate, inflation rate of the US has already been very very high. So now, that Fed may go for rate hike. If the rate hike is happens there, then we can see some sell off, particularly in Nasdaq and Dow Jones. And if the Nas if we see there's a lot of sales of is happening on Nasdaq and Dow Jones, definitely it is a negative indication. And it might create some negative indication to the Indian equity also. On that case, there is a possibility to be retraced towards the downside, right? So this is as far as Bank Nifty is concerned. And to be very honestly, I'm telling you, this channel is purely for educational purpose. And this channel doesn't suggest for any stock tips and stock advisory services. And this channel also is not responsible for any kinds of stock trading. If anybody would like to do any kinds of trading, I request you to please first do consult with your own respective investment advisor. After that, you take your own decision. Apart from it, also I'm having own Telegram channel. I have also given the link of the Telegram channel to the description box. This Telegram channel is also for educational purpose. If anybody would like to join my Telegram channel, can join this Telegram channel. And I would request you to everyone, please do subscribe this channel and to share this channel to your near and dear ones, because the more responses will definitely assist me to bring a lot more videos in near future. And by saying this, I am going to sign off today's program. And thank you very much and have a great day.